Let's walk through a step-by-step guide to fix sound not working on your computer or laptop. Step 1. Check basic connections. Make sure speakers or headphones are plugged in properly. If using Bluetooth, confirm your device is paired and connected. Verify the volume is turned up on both your computer and the speakers. Step 2. Check Windows volume and output device. Click the speaker icon in the system tray, bottom right corner. Make sure the volume is not muted and is turned up. Right-click the speaker icon and select Open Volume Mixer. Check that all apps, like browsers and media players, aren't muted. Right-click the speaker icon again and select Sound Settings or Playback devices in older Windows. Under Choose Your Output Device, make sure the correct device is selected, for example, speakers or headphones. If using external speakers or headphones, make sure it's not set to a disabled device. Step 3. Check Device Manager for sound drivers. Press Windows and X, then choose Device Manager. Expand sound, video, and game controllers. Look for your audio device, for instance, Realtek, Conexant, AMD, or NVIDIA. If you see a yellow exclamation mark, that means there's a driver problem. Right-click the device and select Update Driver, then search automatically for drivers. If that fails, try Uninstall Device, then restart your PC. Windows should reinstall the driver automatically. Step 4. Run the Windows Audio Troubleshooter. Press Windows and the letter I to open Settings. Go to System, then Sound. Scroll down and click Troubleshoot or Troubleshoot Sound Problems. Follow the on-screen instructions. Windows will try to detect and fix the issue automatically. Step 5. Check audio enhancements. Sometimes enhancements can interfere. In Sound Settings, click Device Properties or Additional Device Properties. Go to the Enhancements tab. Some drivers call it Effects. Check Disable All Enhancements. Click OK. Step 6. Restart the Windows Audio Service. Press Windows and the letter R, type services.msc and press Enter. Find Windows Audio in the list. Right-click it and choose Restart. Also, restart Windows Audio Endpoint Builder and Remote Procedure Call, or RPC. Step 7. Check app-specific settings. Some apps like Zoom, Discord, or Games have their own sound settings. Make sure the correct device is selected in their audio settings. Step 8. Update Windows. Press Windows and I, then go to Update and Security and select Windows Update. Check for updates and install any available ones. Some might fix audio issues. If it's still not working, try rolling back to a previous driver version. Go to Device Manager, right-click your audio device, select Properties, then go to the Driver tab and choose Rollback Driver. If you're using HDMI audio, such as connecting to a TV or monitor, check your display settings and ensure the correct audio output is selected. Hardware check. Test with external speakers or headphones. If those work, your built-in speakers may be faulty. If nothing works on any output device, your sound card might be malfunctioning. It might be time to consult a technician. Summary. Check physical connections and volume. Check output device selection. Update or reinstall drivers in Device Manager. Run the audio troubleshooter. Disable enhancements. Restart the Windows Audio Service. Check app-specific settings. Update Windows.